Is the DT466 in your truck idling rough, misfiring, showing signs of poor fuel economy? It may be time to replace the fuel injectors in your DT466, minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Install these remanufactured fuel injectors for the International Navistar DT466 from Highway and Heavy Parts. Fuel injectors have a significant influence on the combustion process and play a key role in improving engine fuel consumption and meeting emission regulations. At Highway and Heavy Parts, you'll get DT466 injectors that have been rebuilt to OEM specifications, ensuring the quality and consistency you need in your DT466. When our injector cores are rebuilt, they're taken apart, cleaned thoroughly, and inspected for damage. Each injector has a new nozzle, coils, and electrical connector to ensure maximum lifespan for your DT466. In the case of the rebuilt injectors we sell, rigorous testing ensures that each injector meets OEM standards and will run like the day it was first manufactured. Backed by a 15-month parts warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. Don't forget to check out Highway and Heavy Parts' variety of fuel systems parts for your diesel engine. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts, America's trusted diesel engine part supplier.